So sometimes you may want to go ahead and use multiple signatures. So for that, what you can do is you can go around onto the tools menu and then go around under settings right here. Then what you need to do is you need to go around on under add-ons right here to search for an add-on called signature switch right here, just like this, and press enter. So once you go ahead and do that, then you can see that signature switch add-on actually pops up right here. So let me just go ahead and add this to Thunderbird right here, just like this, and then click on the add button around over here. So you can see that it says signature switch was added right here, just like this. So now if I were to go around over here, you can see that signature switch is an option. So now you can see that over here, you can go ahead and add in different signatures. So let's just go ahead and you can add an HTML code as well if you want to, but I'm going to go around over here and then let's say, for example, say, let's say cheers, and then I'm going to go around and type in TTTube right here, just like this. So now I'm going to name this as TT1 right here and save it out. Let me just go around and add in another signature right here like TT2, and I'm going to go ahead and simply go ahead and add in, let's say, for example, sincerely yours right here, just like this, and I'm going to go around and say TTTube. You can also add in an email address by choosing which it'll auto switch to this particular signature as well. But let me just go around and choose these two right here, just like this. And now if I were to go around and then go to new message right here, just like this, I can go ahead and then choose the signature switch option right here, TT1, and you can see that this signature pops up. You go around over here, TT2, and this signature pops up right here, just like this. And that is how you can work around with the signature switch add-on option inside of Thunderbird. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.